What's up everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to change your power steering fluid in your Mitsubishi Lancer, this model of Mitsubishi Lancer. So to make sure what type of fluid you need to go to the user manual and search for power steering liquid. As you can see here, I have ATF Dexron 3 and Dexron 2, or the power steering liquid that Mitsubishi provide, but I do not have the Mitsubishi, so I'm gonna use Dexron 3, ATF Dexron 3. So you need a thing like this. I don't know how it's called, that thing to put injections. So you need to jack up your car, the two front wheels. We are not going to turn on the engine, the car. We are going to do this with the engine off. So here you are going to drain all the liquid in here to almost the bottom with this thing I have in my hand, and put your new power steering liquid. As you can see, this new power steering liquid is red, is totally red. And let's see the old one that is right here. So this old one is like a faded red. It's more black than the new one, so that's why you need to change your power steering fluid if you are gonna have your car for a lot of time. So all we are going to do is take off the old liquid and put it in your reservoir, in another reservoir, and then you are going to take off this hose. As you can see, there are two hoses, an upper one and a lower one. You are going to take the lower one, sorry, the upper one, and as you can see, I need to put the hose with this to take off all the fluid. And now, as I said, we are going to take off the upper hose, not the lower one. You need to take off your upper hose. So as you can see, I put this thing to make sure the fluid is not coming out when I put the new fluid. And this hose, we are gonna put it in your reservoir that are you putting your oil fluid, like this, like I have right here. You can see now you are going to put your new liquid in the reservoir to the max line, and then you are gonna turn your switch on, your switch, not your engine, your switch, to be able to turn your wheels left to right, to the maximum left to right that your car allow. So as you can see, I'm turning right here, left to right, and as you can see, the oil fluid is coming out of your power steering rack. And then you are going to do this, and you make sure you see the reservoir, the power steering fluid reservoir, because it's going to drain. So you need to put more new liquid, because if you don't put it, you are gonna have a lot of air in your steering rack. So when you finish, when you see the red fluid coming out of this hose, you are gonna put it back, and then you are gonna fill to the max line with your new fluid, and then you are gonna turn on your car, and again do left to right, and see if you need more power steering fluid. So you can see I'm putting the cap on the reservoir. So now I'm just gonna turn my car on and do left to right. Here I already turned on the car, So as you can see here, I'm filled up, so you only need to take it to a spin and make sure you have a quart of the new oil. So I hope you like this video, I hope it was helpful. Share, comment, like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.